What if your child's first coding lessons didn't involve a screen? Introducing Coding with Oscar Gen 2. Designed for kids aged 5 and up and using story-based learning, Coding with Oscar Gen 2 brings coding to life with physical blocks called clicks, or KLX. These blocks snap together, helping children learn programming concepts through tactile play. With Oscar, children not only build sequences but also integrate them with robotics and voice commands. It's coding made fun and tangible. Plus, it fits right in with Lego sets for endless creativity. Parents and teachers love it because it reduces screen time while boosting problem-solving skills. And the best part? Oscar's voice feedback guides and coaches them through each step, making learning intuitive and engaging. Imagine your child building their first computer with Oscar's special kit or programming a robot to follow their commands. It's more than just learning to code. It's about building confidence, creativity, and collaboration. Join the revolution in early learning with Coding with Oscar Gen 2. Unlock your child's potential today. To learn more, visit codingwithoscar.com.